Hello and welcome back to my GCSE History.co.uk, the best place for your GCSE history revision. This is the second video in the topic 20th century medicine, and in this video today we're going to be looking at the three magic bullets that were developed during the 1900s. So, firstly, what exactly do we mean by a magic bullet? What is meant by a magic bullet? A magic bullet is a drug or chemical that targets a specific germ or specific bacteria and does not affect any other. So that's what a magic bullet is, and you need to be aware of that definition. A drug that targets a specific germ and does not affect any other. Alright, so let's have a look at the three magic bullets. Just a bit of a silly picture there to help you remember the three magic bullets. So, the first one was Salvarson 606, and it was discovered by Paul Ehrlich and used to treat syphilis. So, Salvarson 606, discovered by Paul Ehrlich and used to treat syphilis. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease, and Salvarson 606 aimed to treat it. So, Ehrlich tried 605 variations of an arsenic compound to try to kill the syphilis bacteria. On the 606th variation, it worked, and Sashiro Heta, I can't pronounce Japanese very well, Ehrlich's Japanese research assistant, had retested the 606th variation and realised that it killed the bacteria and didn't kill any other, and he reported his findings to Ehrlich. So, there we are, those two paragraphs there just give a bit of background on where the name Salvarson 606 comes from. You don't specifically need to know where the name comes from, or that he worked with a Japanese research assistant, Sahashiro Heta. If you can pronounce that better than me, type a phonetical pronunciation in the comments section on YouTube. That'll be interesting. You just need to know that Salvarson 606 was developed by Paul Ehrlich, and it was used to treat syphilis, and it killed syphilis bacteria. The next magic bullet is Prontosil, and Prontosil was discovered by Gerard Domge. I think that's how you pronounce it. Gerard Domgek, I think. Gerard Domgek, and it was used to treat blood poisoning. That's what you really need to know. Who it was developed by and what it treated. Gerard Domgek, I think it is. So, in 1932, Domgek tried out Prontosil, a red chemical dye, on a series of tests on mice. The results were good. It definitely had an effect on bacteria which was causing blood poisoning. Domgek was forced to test Prontosil on humans when his daughter pricked her finger on an infected needle when playing with her guinea pig near his medical equipment. And the Prontosil magic bullet saved his daughter from death by blood poisoning. So it killed the blood poisoning bacteria that might have caused his daughter to die. So it's a bit of a sort of chance experiment there that his daughter happened to prick her finger on an infected needle which was part of Domgek's medical equipment. The third magic bullet we're going to look at now is the sulfomadides, and they were discovered by a series of French researchers and used to treat a variety of illnesses including meningitis, gonorrhea, pneumonia. Gonorrhea, if you've not heard of that, is a sexually transmitted infection. So, people want to find the active ingredient in Prontosil that cured blood poisoning. After 2 years it was discovered that it was a sulfonamide chemical made from coal tar. Drug companies joined a race to discover cures based on sulfomadides, and that's any drug derived from coal tar. Okay, so this slide is the main focus of the video today, just 2 slides really that we need to go over. There's a lot of information on here, so you might wish to go through it once or twice and try and condense down some of the information on this page, as you do need to know the key facts about the 3 magic bullets. So, usual sort of thing, for quick quiz questions based on the content of today's video, you may wish to pause the video here and scribble down some answers. If not, feel free to carry on watching and we'll have a go at these together. What is a magic bullet? Alright, so the answer to the question. A magic bullet is a drug that targets, this is the definition I gave you earlier, specific bacteria. Just have to write over that white space, and does not affect doesn't affect any other. Who was Salvarsan 606 discovered by, and what does it treat? Well, it was discovered by Paul Ehrlich, and we spell that like this, and it is used to treat syphilis. When did Domak have the chance to try out Prontosil on humans? Well, he tried it out on his daughter when she pricked a finger on an infected needle while playing with her pet guinea pig. Daughter pricked finger on an infected needle. I'll not write the rest of the story, but she was playing with a guinea pig, happy as ever, and then pricked a finger on infected needle. He'd left his medical stuff lying around, and she developed blood poisoning, but that stopped her from getting it. Give 3 illnesses that sulfamides can treat. Well, the 3 illnesses we talked about earlier are meningitis, gonorrhea, I think we spell it like that, and pneumonia. There are the answers to the quick 4 quiz questions for this video. I hope you found the video useful today. Quite a lot to take in there, but just learn the key points and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching, see you soon.